Good afternoon, sir. Thanks and welcoming you for the studio of Sales Success Secrets. It was a pleasure. Great to have you in this discussion of Sales Success Secrets. The book is all about mindset of a sales, actually. Because many a time I believe sales is not only about the skill; it is all about the mindset, actually. So this book talks about the mindset and my experience. I share it. As a salesperson, what kind of mindset I used to have normally about sales or handling people, all these things actually. Because one of the topic when I was discussing, you chose one of the best topics to discuss about no failures, only feedback. Because in this book, one of the the key topic is the no failures, only feedback. And I talk about, though the book has about 45 chapters, this is one of the chapter actually. Each chapter I talk about maximum of 3 pages with one example. Yeah. This no failures, only feedback. One of the story which I was talking about in this book is all about all of us. We know the person, as per the history, the person who faced the maximum failure is Thomas Alva Edison, because he says by 10,000th time he invented so-called bulb and he gifted to this world actually. So the best thing what I liked it, one of the interview, this goes like this actually. One of the interviews, someone has asked him, okay, are you not been ashamed of saying you have failed 9,999 times actually, and 10,000th time you found something called bulb actually? The answer was amazing. He said, I know how bulb cannot be invented in 9,999 times actually. Okay, he time and again he might have told n number of times saying there are no failures, only feedback. So I would like to, request you to share your experience, your personal experience. You might have gone through. I know that you are the person who's always come out with something new. Often, and I'm sure the people who take more action, who are the ones who might have faced the maximum failures actually. So we would like to hear from you, sir, on this topic.
Happy afternoon, Lakshmi. First of all, for inviting me for this video to talk about your the forthcoming book, which is called Sales Success Secrets. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And I've gone through the chapters, and one of the important chapters, there are a lot of interesting chapters, but this chapter which we are talking about is about there are no failures, there are only feedbacks. Okay, that chapter impressed me because I felt that we need to talk about the chapter. Why? Because there cannot be a human being without failure. Okay, everybody on this planet, whether they may be an employee or an employer or an entrepreneur or a politician or an actor or a sports person, or from the person or any person from the field of art, it can be any field, even a doctor, okay, even a lawyer. You name the person in this planet, there cannot be one person without failure. So they have evolved, they have understood a lot of things over, and failure is one of the best thing which can happen in everybody's life. Exactly. Because you can learn a lot.
True.
Okay?
Very true.
In the university of life, when we are born, there is no manual given to you how to live life. There is no manual.
Yeah. Okay? And it is different for all of us.
For everybody, every human being is different.
Yeah.
Every human being is special, and every human being is unique.
Yeah.
You have a special talent and I have a special talent.
True.
We don't identify our talents. It takes a long time to identify.
Yeah.
And the experience what we encounter in our life, okay, that teaches us lot of lessons which is essential.
Rightly.
Okay. Whatever we do, whatever attempt we do, we are not failures.
Yeah.
Our attempt has failed.
Rightly said.
We have attempted something.
Yeah.
You have failed. Maybe that is what even Thomas Alva Edison told, maybe in a different way.
Yeah, correct.
So he attempted 9,999 times. Okay, he succeeded in the 10,000 times.
Yeah.
So, what I want to say, well, it may be any venture, it may be a business venture, or it can be any venture for anybody.
Correct.
Even a relationship.
True.
Okay, even in a relationship, you attempted something.
Yeah.
And if you fail, and if you not got the result what you expected, okay, it is not a failure.
True.
Maybe the attempt would have failed.
Yeah.
You as a person is not a failure.
Yeah.
If you are able to learn and if you have the mindset,
yeah,
you have to tell to yourself, I have not learned the right way.
Correct.
If I can learn the right way through somebody, maybe through a mentor or through somebody or through something like technology, even I will be able to succeed.
Correct.
For example, the formula doesn't know who applies it.
Exactly.
Once you know the formula
Yeah.
for everything,
Result no.
anybody, it can be Lakshmi or Kumaran. If you know the
Yeah.
formula, you will get the answer.
Exactly. You
The
are right.
formula is not bothered whether Lakshmi is applying or Kumaran is applying.
Correct.
If you know the formula, anybody who applies the formula, you will get the answer.
Correct. Correct.
So, knowing the formula is the $1 million
Question. Yeah.
Okay? Whether you are learning from the right place,
Yeah.
whether you are learning from the right mentor,
Yeah.
or you are learning from a right book,
Yeah.
or you are learning through the universe will teach you.
Yeah.
When you start searching for the right method, for the right way, I feel a teacher will stand before you. It can be technology, or it can be a mentor, it can be a friend, it can be your wife, it can be anybody.
Yeah. True.
This is my personal experience, which I want to share.
Thank you, sir.
So, when you say about failure, this particular chapter called there are no failures, there are only feedback.
Yeah.
Feedback. I can only take my life as an example.
Okay.
That many people are seeing me as a successful entrepreneur.
Okay.
Whatever I do, I'm seeing success, and I keep on venturing into a lot of new things.
Yeah.
But many people do not know that I was a miserable failure in school. I was also a failure in college.
Okay.
But it has got nothing to do with my life, my business life, my career. It has got nothing to do.
Yeah.
And even in my business ventures, there have been a lot of failures. Not all my business ventures are successful. It doesn't mean, so I don't stop when I fail.
That's great.
I don't stop.
Great.
The only thing which can stop me is myself, my mind. So I don't stop. I keep on venturing into new projects, new domains.
No doubt about it.
It is not at all related to me.
Okay.
And it's an opportunity for me to learn.
Yeah.
So I don't tell myself when I fail. I'll only ask what's next.
What's next?
What's next?
Yeah.
So I have failed. When I fail, there is a lot of loss of time, lot of energy, lot of resources, lot of money. But I don't get discouraged.
Yeah.
There are certain projects which has backfired. There will be some disappointments.
Yeah.
There will be some failures. It's only in that attempt.
Yeah.
But I have made up my mind. Okay? I always tell myself, okay, it's okay. It's part of life.
Yeah.
It's part of business. It's a learning experience.
Yeah.
I have learned something. So, attempt one more time by learning the right way, the right method.
Yeah, exactly.
Even I can succeed.
Yeah.
So that is how I keep on venturing into a lot of new projects.
Great, sir.